Hello everyone, I'm Bogdan, and although you might be distracted by all the other things that are happening with the car, in this video we will be changing the transmission mount, and hopefully we will notice a difference. We will also be taking a look at the previous transmission mount. I want to see if it has any damage. The strange bit that I've noticed about this transmission mount, it's very soft rubber. So I'm expecting to find the previous one with some serious damage on it, especially because the car has now more than 10 years. Let's go underneath the car and we'll see how this change goes. As tools, we start with an 8mm socket and ratchet for the under tray. Should you want to make your life easier, you might be better off using a driver 8mm magnetic socket. We will continue with a 30mm socket and ratchet for the gearbox cross member. For the top of your transmission mount, you will need a 30mm spanner. And besides these tools, you will need a way of lifting and lowering your gearbox. In my case, I used a car jack, some pieces of wood stacked one on top of each other, and I managed to lift and lower the gearbox as needed. Now, the lessons that I've learned and the things that I would like to share with you guys would be that it's not always the case that you need to change this part, so it might pay off just to inspect the part before ordering a replacement. I admit that I've done this mistake and I went straight for replacement, but once I've seen the part, it didn't make absolutely no sense in changing it. Now, another useful thing is if you're struggling in refitting that cross member, try lowering your gearbox. That will allow you for having a little bit more movement, and the things will fall in place easier. Easy. Looks a bit to twist. No need. No need to change it. Now I'm trying to fit this one back. Also, another useful thing would be that if you're struggling to refit that cross member, consider that you don't have the correct orientation. So you might have that cross member twisted the other way around. Take these things into account. I hope that these tips would help you. If I forgot something or if you have ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments below, and I shall be seeing you in the next one.